is out of focus. Oop, there he is. Or just hang out. Oop, sorry. Here we go. There we go. Just gotta hold my hand still. We'll see what comes. We got some titmouse. We'll just hang out here. It is a very cold Monday morning. It's about 30 degrees Fahrenheit. There's frost on the ground. There is condensation from my breath. But there are also birds. I'm using a monopod here just to hold it here. And I think, yeah, we're just going to focus in on this rather than me going around and chasing birds. Because this is about the time that usually the titmice are pretty active, and I don't have much luck tracking them down. Because as you can see here, they eat and grab. I do hear and see some other birds around here, but we're not going to chase them. Definitely, there's always blue jays and song sparrows. Of course, I have my two pups here just rooting through stuff. I don't know, was that a squirrel? I feel like that was a squirrel. Yeah, that's a squirrel. It's been a little bit since we've done the bird videos. Again, I just, I want to have good photos to show you guys. I feel like I just haven't had them. There's another titmouse, or the same titmouse, I really can't tell. What is that? Ooh, let's see if we can angle down a little bit. That is a Towhee. See it there? Oh, just get a glimpse of it. Pretty sure that's a Towhee. That's exciting. Oop. And then there's a titmouse right here. This is nice. Yeah. Pretty sure that's what that is. I think I saw one earlier. Hi there. Oh, you're pretty. Let's see if we can take a picture. Nope. The camera says no. That's pretty cool. We'll sit and watch this guy for a little bit. Sorry about that. But yeah, I haven't had a lot of good pictures, but it doesn't mean I haven't seen a bunch of birds. So I'm forcing myself doing the vlog part, and we'll put up the video in a little bit. And by perfect fashion, as I'm filming this guy, it's about 4 or 5 titmice that just are going crazy at the feeders. Say la vie. Alright, we'll leave him be. Let's focus in back on those feeders. Oh, Jesus, I'm sorry. There we go. I'll get better at this one day, I promise. There we go. Yeah. It's just nice to sit and watch. That Towhee's still down there. Towhee? I don't know. Somebody please let me know. It's been a week, you know. Besides bird stuff, there's just so much going on in the world. I hope you guys are doing okay. I did not know that titmice are in the same family as chickadees. I would not have guessed that. I mean, they're similar size. I just, the tuft threw me off. And that the family of chickadees and titmice are called tits across the pond. Very fascinating. Gosh, there's so many of them. My wife, a few weeks ago, saw a bird in the front that we have not been able to identify. It had, she's saying it had very much the profile of the titmouse, the size and the gray color and everything, but the difference was it had black wings. And I have no idea. Do you guys have any idea what that could be? Nope. I love my buddy, but he always spoils my bird shots. Well, they're getting brave. They're over here just flying around Matic. Well, we can sit here and watch this all day, and I'll probably do it for a little bit longer before you start taking up the duties for the day, such as responsibility, I guess. So we'll leave it at that. Like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and run with what other photos I have, and I do have a bunch of photos. It's not like I don't. I just haven't been happy with my photos lately. I do not know what they're barking at. But that is perfect time to go ahead and leave. I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and I will talk to you guys later. In the meantime, though, let's take a look at those birds.